Okay, hello guys, welcome to my live channel today. And today I will introduce a big deal of our company named Doing Henan Jinri Limited Company. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to introduce of my company. My company is a equipment making company, and it was making some cassava starch or cassava flour, or also gari, fufu flours equipment company. So you can see there are many our customers are from different kind of different countries. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, I want to introduce about our company's contents. Okay, so first of all, it's a company profile. Look at here. Our company named Doing Holdings. It was established in 2011, and it was established in Henan, China, Henan province, and we include Henan Oil Fats Engineering Company, Henan Jinri Food Engineering Company, and Henan Doing Environmental Protection Technology Company, and also Xinxiang Doing Renewable Energy Equipment Company. And also here is another very special one. It's in Nigeria limited company, and in the Nigeria we also have a warehouse. Because you know that if we have this company, the warehouse is overseas in the Nigeria. It maybe can make you more convenient to buy our production and if you have problem, you can first time go to the Nigeria company to find our engineering or our sellers, right? So I think this company is very important to the overseas customers. Okay, so the next. Oh, here is our okay, so our company is in the Henan Zhengzhou. It's a big city, and the transportation is very easy. If you guys want to come to our company, our office to have a look, maybe you can leave your message on the commentary, okay? And here is our factory looks like. The factory was near to the Henan Zhengzhou, and also this company is very big, and it was like a 40 minutes car ride, and we will arrange a car for you if you guys want to have a look, if you guys are interested in our production. Okay, so if you want to make some starch or flour, also the gari, fufu, like you want to build a factory about this kind of things, you can contact me. Okay, you can contact me because we are very international company around the world. Okay, so next one. This is a bigger one factory like this. And here is the company structure. Because we need to We need to make you happy, make you be very satisfied. So we have many kind of structure. Like I am in the cell department, and here is where I stay in. It's starch project, right? Okay, so here is our main products, like sweet potato starch production line and the potato starch production line, and also the cassava starch, cassava flour processing line. So if you guys are interested in our company, please quickly contact me, okay? Because we have limited time discount today. Yes, I know here we're coming to the Black Friday, right? So here is a big deal today, only today. Okay, and here is in our Nigeria company, and this bottom two picture, maybe they are our sellers and our customers. Okay, here is other company belonging to the doing holdings, like the oil processing machine. Look at here, oil processing machine. All kinds of oil pretreatment, pressing, leaching, refining, friction, winterization, and dewaxing equipment. Yes, in this company you can make some palm oil and also the soybeans and the sunflowers oil, and so on. Because I'm in the starch company. Yeah, here is also the belonging company. It is a sorting plant. And here is another one. We have 4 belonging company. They have the different kind of things to soiled. Here is an ISO certificate and the national patents. So don't worry, our company's equipment is not safe or not so good. Maybe our company have many different certificates. You can be very satisfied. And here is the factory machinery equipment. Have a look, okay? Yeah, here is the factory live show. And he is our boss named John. He is our chairman, and that he leader our company to sell the project in different countries, like 116 countries have our different kind of equipment. Not only the starch equipment, but also the equipment like I introduction to you. Okay, here is our international trading team. And if you coming to our company, you can see them. And overseas sellers, e-commerce and IT team, engineering team, and here is our production team. Yeah, here is our factory. And here is our project cases. Many different country and also in our country, in China, like starch, sweet starch, potato starch line, and Indonesia have 20 ton per hour cassava starch line. You can have a look. And DR Congo, Syria, Lebanon, Uganda, many different countries have our projection. Okay, look, here is some photos. And also here, this video is also about our project in here. Nigeria have many our projection. Yeah, this one is also in Nigeria. In Tanzania. So if you guys want to buy our projection, you want to buy our processing line, it's easy to ship because we have the warehouse in Africa, in Nigeria. Okay, so welcome everyone to my live stream. Today here is Jade. My name is Jade. Thank you. And this one is a 4 ton per hour input cassava flour project in Uganda. And today, our main introduction is cassava starch or cassava flour processing machine. Okay, and here is our customers visit. Not only our Chinese people, but also many different kind of countries people come to our company to have a visit, have a look, and have an order in here. And here is machine delivery. And this is the customer factory installation. Equipment introduction. And so here I will introduction the cassava starch or cassava flour processing line need what kind of machine. Okay, so let's go. Here is cassava feeding hopper for short storage of raw cassava and uniform feeding. Here is a shaking hopper. And this shaker can shake the cassava onto the belt conveyor. The belt conveyor will not be will be send the cassava to the next step. Here is a belt conveyor for transportation. And the dry sieve is like a big circle, and for impurities removal from cassava surface. Here is the paddle washing machine. It is the main washing equipment of the cassava. And if you have different need, we can give you the different kind of the machine, because you know that if you only want the small one, we can build a small one for you. Look at here. Here is only one. But if you think you have a big amount of cassava need to process, you can choose the two one, have two pole, and it will clean the cassava very cleanly. Here is a cutting machine. It has the knife to blend the cassava into the small pieces. And this machine is used for crushing of cassava. And here is the blood. It was made in 4CR30 blood. It's very safe for eating. And this knife maybe looks like a diamond. Look at here. It is 4CR30 material with high hardness, where a corrosion resistance and long survival life. So this one is for pre-crushing. And here is the second stage crushing of the cassava. This machine named the rasper. And the rasper can make the cassava into the cassava milk. And here are 5 demagnetization device is settled above the rasper to filter metal and air blocks, better protecting the saw blood life of rasper. Yes, you know what? The rasper have many blood. So if you want to protect the blood, you need the five demagnetization device. Okay. And the saw blood is made of 65 Mn material. It is also good for our eating. And if the blood is old or broken, you can choose another side of this blood. Look at here. Like this is the blood. And you can also change this side, because our blood have 2 sides. It all can use. So here is the centrifuge sieve. And if anyone want to know more details about our company, Henan Jinri Equipment Company, you can leave your WhatsApp number in the commentary, or also you can leave it in a comment in a private way, okay? And also, if anyone need, please type 1 or type something you like in the commentary. I can send about my WhatsApp number, okay? So here is the centrifuge sieve. This sieve is to sieve out the long fiber of the cassava. You know that the fiber is bad for our eating flavor, right? And look at here. For the cassava starch, we need this centrifuge sieve, because if the separation of the fiber and slurry is carried out by multi-stage washing and screening out to ensure the extraction rate of the starch. So this we need for nearly 4 centrifuges sieve, okay? And one by one, they have different kind of working. They have different work, but they all separation of this fiber and makes the cassava be more good, maybe excellent for eating. And here is the hydrocyclone. Hydrocyclone is also using for the cassava starch. Yes, it is used for separation of protein or cell liquids and so on, ensuring high quality of the final starch, right? So in the 18th stage of the of the hydrocyclone, it is ensure the high purification of the starch product and reducing starch loss. The cyclone machine have the pipeline connection between the cyclone are made of 304 stainless steel, food grade material to ensure the quality of the finished starch. Okay, so you can see here is the tube of the hydrocyclone. And why we need the 18 stage? Because you know what? The hydrocyclone is for cleaning and screening out, and also it can be make the quality more good. So the starch, no, the starch maybe it is in the centrifuge machine to save out the fiber, but in here it will to save to separation out the protein cell liquids. These things we didn't need it, right? So we need this machine to ensure the high quality of the final starch. And look at this one, this smaller one. It is the inside of the hydrocyclone. It was the cyclone tube, and the cyclone tube are made of the nylon 166. It's also a food grade material with high strength and durability. It should be cleaned regularly, usually with a high pressure water to clean every 1 to 2 months. It was easy to clean it. So next picture here is the vacuum dehydrator. When the starch milk is in this machine, it will dewatering, from which we can get the white starch powder. It's easy for make the cassava starch be drier. Okay, so we use this big, like a big circle drum. It will turn around, and our starch will fall on the surface of the dehydrator, right? Okay, so next. Okay, and here comes the flash dryer. Flash dryer like this. It is used for starch drying. And look at here. Our tube use the plus tube design. This tube may be different from the other starch equipment company because it's this tube is one thin and one thick. It can make the speed of material passing through, extend the residence time of the material, and ensure the drying effect. Yes, so the cassava starch or cassava flour all need this kind of a section. And when the material into this tube, it will be going for very not too fast. Maybe it can be little short. It can use little longer time because we need make the all material be drying. Okay, so we use this design. And here is the automatic interlocking control. By predicting the feed water content and inlet the outlet air temperature, the feed and the inlet air volume of the interdrying system are automatically adjusted. Temperature control points are set at the air inlet of dryer, cyclone separator, and exhaust duct to better control the temperature and ensure the stability of the product's water content, right? So this kind of design also can prevent from the explosion, and it can prevent the starch not run out of the tube. And this called the negative pressure drying. Okay, and here is the sieving machine used for separation of the coarse powder and ensuring fineness of final starch and also final flour. These two flour or starch need this machine. And here is our PLC control part. It is a cabinet, and on this cabinet surface have many different kind of touch apart. So you can decide what you want on this cabinet. Like you want the temperature be higher or be lower, and also you want to begin this machine or final of this machine. You can choose the starch more thin or more thick. Okay, so this is the mean way of the electricity control cabinet. And also we know if you want to use this control cabinet, it can save your labor cost and make your processing line be more automatic. Cable bridge like this. Okay, thank you. And here we also have a 3D carton of the cassava flour, and also we have the cassava starch processing line 3D carton. So we can have a look one by one, okay? So first, here is a feeding hopper. Here is a shaker. Shaker will shake the cassava on the belt conveyor and send to the dry sieve. Okay, and here is a all view of the factory processing line. Here is the starch processing line. Let's have a look. Here is the overview of all the factory. So first we use the forker to make the cassava into the feeding hopper. and go to the dry sieve. It can remove the debris of the surface of cassava, and then go to the paddle washing machine. Paddle washing machine, it means that here and here and here have many different kind of paddles, and it will be push the cassava to this U-shaped line. Okay, and here comes the water, and you know what, the cassava put into this machine in this way, and the water will come to the different way, like this side, and in this side can clean the cassava, be more cleaning. Here is other sieve to make the cassava to sieve out the other the water we didn't need it, and the water will clean the cassava again and fall into the belt conveyor. Then go to the cutting machine to cut the cassava into the small pieces. And you know, if you have a little amount of money, you can call us, because we can provide you another machine. It's called the hammer crusher. It also can cut the cassava into the cassava milk directly. But this hammer crusher, maybe it's more suitable for the gari or fufu flour. And here is a rasper. Here is a 5D magnetization. Rasper can rasp the cassava to the cassava milk. And we use this pump to pump into the centrifuge sieve. Okay, so look at here. Here are many gold colors, and here is the water pressure. It will clean this circle one. It named the residues basket, and the residues will stay in the surface of this machine. And at that time, we need use the water pressure to make the basket be clean again, like this. Turn around very fast. Here is the second centrifuge. It can the second centrifuge. What can this work? It can make the first centrifuge residue be sieved out again. You know, like the residue is on the basket of the first one, and through the water pressure, it will go to the second one for again to clean to sieve out the starch. The third one is also this kind of work. We suggest you can have 4 centrifuge sieve. It's okay, but this carton we have 5 centrifuge sieve. This is a small fiber sieve. It also sieve out the fiber in the cassava milk and fall into the 2 tanks. And here is the descender. You can have a look. This green line means that our starch will fall into this machine. And then the starch will go with the blue line. The sand will go down in the yellow line. So you know that starch is growing in the very dirty soil, and other debris is putting on the ground, right? So we need this step to make the cassava some sand in the cassava. We can use this machine to make the cassava starch, cassava milk be in a good quality. And here is the hydrocyclone. Let's look it inside. First, here have many different tube. The white one is the tubes. This tube is made of the nylon 66 material. And the cassava starch will pull in this notch and make a circle, very fast circle. And then, you know what? The protein of the cell liquid will go out in the bigger in the top, maybe, and the starch, because it is heavier than the protein or liquid, so the starch will fall out in the bottom. So look at here. This picture shows that the middle section is the cassava starch in it, and here comes the liquid, cell liquid or yellow liquid, and also protein. Here comes our starch. Okay, look at the way the cassava milk go in. One by one, it can make a cleaning and make the quality be more good. So here is another tank. Here is the cassava. Okay, so in here, maybe you can use the vacuum dehydrator, but this one is maybe more expensive and more good quality one. It named the pillar dehydrator. It's like a washing machine. It can turn around very fast, and then the water will be pushed out. It can push out the water for 97%, but the vacuum dehydrator can only push out the 17%, maybe. So if anyone is interested in this kind of processing line, please leave a message in the commentary. You can leave whatever you want, okay? And let me know you are interested in this. And here comes the drying section. Okay, look at this is the plastic tube. One thin and one other is thick. It can make the cassava stay in this tube more longer. And we also use a negative pressure to make the cassava drying. Okay, so the final, not final. Here is another step. It's a sieve, right? It can sieve, make the cassava be more fineness and be more thin. And here is the last step. It will be packaged. Look at here is the cabinet, electric cabinet. The electric cabinet can make your processing line be more automatic and also be more and also can save your laboratory cost, right? So here is the cassava starch processing line. Let's have a look of the cassava flour processing line, okay? Okay, this is a very short 3D carton. Maybe this one will be more longer. Yes, this is a longer 3D curtain. Here is the overview of the all factory we need. First of all, the washing machine may be same to the cassava starch, right? Yes, it's very familiar. So welcome everyone to my live stream. If anyone is interested in our processing line, today have a big limited time discount. Okay? So don't wait. Please contact me. So first, here is the shaker. Shaker can shake the cassava on the belt conveyor to send it to the dry sieve. Dry sieve can sieve out the cassava some debris on the cassava surface, and then go to the go to the paddle washing machine. The paddles will push the cassava in this U-shaped, like a big U, right? If you have a little amount of the cassava, you can choose only one pole. Yeah, like this. Look, here is a pedal going. Welcome everyone to my live stream. If anyone is interested in our company, our cassava flower equipment, you can contact me. You can send your WhatsApp number to in the private way, okay? And here is the difference. The cassava is washing. It will go to the pillar machine, right? You can see here the pillar machine. And in this machine, we have different long roller of the sandpaper. Sandpaper can make the cassava to make the skin. And here comes the water. And can friction the cassava. Here is a hammer. Here you can change the hammer crusher or grinding machine. And also here is a rasper. Okay, look at this desander. The desander only need two times to make the cassava descend. Because the cassava, it is pillar 8 skin, right? So it will be more cleaning to make the flour. And here is a filter. It can push the water out. Yes, cassava will fall into this kind of machine. And through the pushing, the white cassava will be fall down. Here is the cassava cake. Here maybe we need another grinding machine. Because if you want your here is a grinding machine to make the flour be more thin. And here goes our drying section. Also use tube, one thick and one thin, plus tube and negative pressure to make the cassava flour be more dry. Hello everyone, if anyone is interested in our processing line, starch flour processing line, and also if you are interested in the gari fufu processing line, you can leave a message in the commentary, okay? We are doing holdings and my company Henan Jinrui is belonging to the Doing Holdings. Here is a sieve to make the flour more thin, and here is 2 different mash. And the last step is to packaging the flour. And here is the quality maybe not so good. The flour maybe it's bigger than the sieve mash, so it will be grinding again. Okay, here is also the PLC cabinet. Today we have the limited time discount. If anyone is interested in our processing line, and you can also only need garifiers, you can also contact me, because our company can also give you some single machine. Okay, so here is a cassava flour processing line. Cassava flour processing line. So is anyone here want to know more about the details of the cassava starch or flour project? Because my broadcast will soon in the end. We are Doing Holdings company, and the Jinri Food Engineering Company Limited Company is belong to the Doing Holdings. So below here, it is the video of the delivery photos, delivery to the different country, even delivery to our country, in our country. Look, here is the Guizhou, Guangdong China starch project. We also have potato starch and also sweet potato starch, cassava starch, cassava flour processing machine, and also the gari processing machine, fufu processing machine. Okay, so the last time we can have a look at the starch 3D carton. And don't forget to contact me. Leave your WhatsApp number in the private way, okay? And I think the food engineering processing line, maybe can make you be more rich, because every people need to eat them every day. Eat the cassava flour, eat the cassava starch, eat the potato starch every day, right? Pillar. And here is the filter press. Sorry, filter press. The washing is same to the cassava starch. But look at here. Here is a peeler machine. Just for peeler. Because the cassava have too hard skin, right? So we need the peeler to peel the skin of cassava. And you know that in this peeler machine, we have many sand roller, and it is easy to change because there is some lock beside. You can just turn out the lock, and then you can change the sandpaper. Cutting machine and the rasper, you can change it to the hammer crusher or grinding machine. And here is a filter press. Filter press, it can press out the water in the flour, right? So this kind of machine can put out the 98% of the water. But we also have another machine. It named the dehydrator. Dehydrator can push out the nearly 18% water. And here is a crusher to make the cassava cake be more thinner, make the flour be more thinner, right? And here is the drying section. We use a special tube, like one thick and the other one is thin. It can make the cassava flour of cassava starch stay in the tube for a longer time, but it's not too longer. It just stay for 1 or 2 seconds. And it can make the cassava be more drying. And then the cassava, and then this section use the negative pressure to make the cassava flour of cassava starch be more drier. It can prevent the explosion and also can prevent the flour run out of the tube. So this design is very it can make you be more satisfied, maybe. So today our live stream will in the end. If anyone is interested in the cassava starch or cassava flour, please contact me in a private way, or you can leave a message in the commentary. I can send you about my WhatsApp number, okay? And our company name, the Henan Jinrui, it is belonging to the Doing Holdings. We also have the oil production line, processing line, palm oil processing line, and also the waste separator, and so on. So if you are interested in the big company named Doing Holdings, please contact me, okay? Leave a message, and see you next time. Bye, everyone.